Hello everyone and welcome back to another daily tutorial. And today I'm going to be showing you how to live stream on the YouTube Shorts feed in 2025. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go over to your profile picture right over here and click on this YouTube Studio button. You just wait for the YouTube Studio to load, and once you're in the YouTube Studio you'll be presented with, I'm not joking, hundreds of different options, hundreds of different things to click. But what you're interested in here is going over to create and the go live button. Now the browser I'm on, which is Firefox, immediately asks me if I want to save the stream key. I just click not now because you never want to actually save this. And here we have our stream key that we need to paste in the encoder. So what you need to do here is just click copy. Now go back to the desktop and just type in whichever program you're going to use. I'm going to be using Streamlabs for this, so I just type in OBS and it will work. In your case, you may have to type in Streamlabs or OBS once again to actually open OBS. And there we go. We are now in OBS Streamlabs or Streamlabs OBS. And here I'm just going to be clicking on this settings button right over here. And we're going to click on stream. We're going to select our service, YouTube RTMPS, use stream key. I just paste in the stream key we got before, right in here. We click done. So now we've done step one. Now, if I want to stream, I'm just able to stream. But as you can see, this doesn't really look like anything you'd be able to find on YouTube Shorts. So you just click on the settings icon once again, and you go over to video. And here you can see your output and the canvas resolution. So what we do here is we select the custom value option. And you need to type in a ratio that is compatible with YouTube Shorts. For example, in this case, I'll go 720 by 720, which will be 1:1. So we just do 720 x 720 once again, and we click done. And this now looks like a YouTube short. Now, if we go back over here, you will see connect streaming software to go live, which we've done. And now we just need to start sending us your video from your streaming software to go live. So you just need to go over here and actually start streaming. And click start streaming, and you'll be streaming on the YouTube Shorts feed as well as the regular YouTube watch page. And that is how you stream vertically on YouTube in 2025. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on notifications for more videos just like this one. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!